Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So today we are going to do a general monthly reading for July month for Sagittarius. In this reading we will see the overall general energy, key obstacles or challenges, actions and advice, strength, opportunities, outcome by the month end, and at the end we will take some guiding messages from the angels and ancestors deck. So stay till the end. As I said, this will be a general reading, so please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. Alright, let's see what do the cards have for you, Sagittarius, for the month of July. For the month of July. Okay. What are what are the key obstacles or challenges you have? Key obstacles or challenges for Sagittarius. Okay. Page of Swords, Page of Wands. What are the action or advice we have for you? What is the action you may have to take, or what is the advice for you for the month of July? Alright. What are the strength and opportunities? What's the outcome for the month of July? What is the outcome for the month of July? Okay. We'll take the guiding message at the end. Alright. So, the overall energy during the month is about communication. You have so much to communicate that I will say this: if this person or whatever people or situation you are dealing with, you are not afraid of speaking out. But the advice here from this card I'm getting it is, be very careful with your words, with the way you are communicating. Okay, try to communicate in a very mature way instead of taking speaking out without thinking. Just take a pause and then speak. Okay, because sometimes our words, how deeply the words are impacting, we cannot say, right? Sometimes it's just a temporary, like we are upset and we speak out, but later on we feel better, but the words what you have spoken during that time will not, won't heal the wound they have created to the other person's heart, right? So just be very careful with when you are communicating without thinking. Be mindful of your words. But there is a lot of communication is happening. For some of you, I also see you will be having many creative ideas, so many strategies or different kind of plans when it comes to your work, and you are ready to take action for it, which is very good. Okay, so you will have basically so many ideas on when it comes to your work, to your other areas of your life, on how you can move ahead. So just try to see which one is practically possible to do and which one is not. Analyze it with the situation you are in, and then proceed ahead with that idea or that plan. All right, so that is what I see. And another thing is, the key obstacle or challenge is, if you are having the ideas, you need to know how to implement it. Okay, just having the ideas and not taking any action towards it will not make any sense, right? So just see how you can implement that idea. As I said, you need to analyze the situation around and then put your ideas or plans into action. Okay, so you need to work on your creativity in the best possible manner, where you are kind of making the best out of the resources whatever is available for you. Okay, for some of you, I also feel like you may be in a very you will be thinking out of the box, which is good, but sometimes to bring that plan into action may not be so much comfortable for the people around. So you need to figure out a way on how you can use it or work on it. Okay, that is what I see. And here the advice is to work on your plan. See, it's going like, to work on your plan, you may also have to take advice from the people, maybe from the people who are elder to you with more experience, who can guide you on something. You may have to attend few of the workshops or webinars or some seminars kind of thing, where you can get some insights or more knowledge or exposure to what you are planning to do, and from where you can get the ideas on how you can move ahead in your life. There is definitely advice to meet people, to discuss your plan with others. Not everything, but at least the basic thing you can discuss with others, so that they can help you move ahead or guide you on how you can implement or bring your plans into action. Okay, that's the advice for you. The strength and opportunities are, you are good in creating balance, okay, but you have to create a balance in your workplace and in your personal life also. See, sometimes we give importance to the materialistic thing, thinking that once we achieve a particular thing in our life at a material level, we will somehow overcome the emotional lack we are having in our life. But that materialistic thing which we have achieved will give a temporary happiness or temporary satisfaction. At the end, we will again come back to the same loop where we are lacking this emotional connection or emotional bond, right? So create balance between things. And I also see, if you are having this thing of keeping things to yourself, just try to change your perspective and seeing things from a different angle, that how your guidance, your knowledge, or your help can be beneficial for the other person, and try to get indulge in that activity of sharing whatever is required. Maybe you may, if the other person is in need of some charity or some donation, and if you can, just try to contribute as much as you feel you should, and it will give you that peace, that emotional peace, mental peace, that happiness. Okay, so just try to see what others are looking for, where you can contribute to whatever extent you feel like, and just try to get indulge in that, and that will give you so much of peace. And it might also give you so much of you know what do you say so much of relax. You might feel so much, that okay, you could contribute to help somebody, that kind of sense of satisfaction, that at least you could contribute for the growth of somebody else, and that will make you happy. And once you start contributing for the others to grow, you will start attracting that kind of opportunity in your life, and that is what also the outcome is. Things will work in your favor, but you need to follow what like guidance or the advice what others are giving you, what your heart is saying. Listen to that and follow things what you think you should do, and things will work in your favor. But at the same time, you have to be mindful that you are not hurting anybody else by the way or the things you are planning to do. Okay, because we cannot grow in our life if we don't uh, basically give importance to other persons emotions or the feelings also, right? Sometimes the guiding message for you here is trust and thrive. Yeah, trust the process, trust in yourself, and grow, go ahead in your life. It will help you to move upward and onward. Okay, so that's the message for you, my dear. So if you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.